Hello students, my name is Gaurav Bansal, your teacher for Indian Economy at GS Core. And with less than 2 months remaining for the PT, many of you have already started to worry and some of you already have a lot of anxiety. And for most of such students, Indian economy is one of their concern area. Now, let us make one of your concerned area, one of your weak area, perceivably weak area into one of your strength areas. And to make it into your strength, we have done a careful analysis of the past 10 to 15 years of previous year questions and a lot of discussions with all our past year students that we have passed out from here, who have got selected also, and some of whom are still appearing. But a lot of discussion has led it to analysis that there are certain areas in Indian economy where maximum students get stuck, and these are areas which are not among the topics defined in the syllabus by the UPSC. These are the topics which are not clearly defined by the syllabus, and those areas are specifically Indian Economic Survey, budget and the fiscal policy, then specifically certain terminology which are either in news or standard financial market terminology. Similarly, there are certain other current affairs which are in news related to important institutions, related to important developments. So out of these, if you see, about 16 to 18 questions are asked from Indian economy every year. Some years the number can go up to 20, while in some years the number can reduce even to 15 or 14 as well. So on average, let's say 17, 18 questions, or about 17, let's say, are asked from Indian economy. Out of them, about 8 to 10 questions are from these areas. Economic survey, 1 to 2 questions. Budget and fiscal policy, 2 to 3 questions. Terminology, 2 questions on average. And current affairs, on average 4 to 5 questions. So if you make these as your strength area, then rest of the Indian economy is actually relatively standard, straightforward, concept based questions which are relatively easier to attempt. So here in this course we are going to do delivery of the content, and then we are going to conduct a test, and every day you will get 30 MCQs, a total of 150 MCQ practice you will get through this course, and a lot of other discussions around the paper, outside the paper, related topics, your doubts, everything we'll do. And in those 5 days, about, you can say, 18 to 20 hours of interaction will take place between me and you, and we will make this area into one of your strength area. You will also get detailed notes on all these areas, and apart from notes, you will also get a lot of additional practice material and extra support. And the support will also be available to those students who are online, and there will be dedicated sessions for them for their doubts and even the group discussions to address the common problems and the key issues. Apart from those, we have also found out that there are certain areas where students make common mistakes. There are certain times when even though you know the answer, but you still miss out on it, you make stupid mistakes. A special focus when we will be discussing those MCQs will be on how to avoid the mistakes. So how to avoid your errors is also one of our focus areas. Similarly, what we are going to teach, we will also try that we deliver it in a narrative that you are able to remember what is being taught. So there will be certain focus on making it as a long-term memory for you, and not just something that was discussed sometime in some class which you do not remember until your examination. So we will be focusing on this thing very specifically, that what we are teaching is not something that is just explained during the class duration, but something which you are going to remember. So there has to be some narrative, there has to be some explanation, there has to be some context. That is what we are going to include with that. I hope the course is going to be quite helpful for the students, and for those students who are interested in joining that course, you can contact this phone number given on the bottom of the screen, and you can also visit our website, and over there you can find information on the Indian economy revision module. So I hope I will see more and more of you in our course, and a lot of you will benefit from that. Thank you.